In this video, we will learn what is the solution of the homogeneous state equation x dot equal ax. To this end, let us assume that we have a solution of the following format. X equal b0 plus b1t plus b2t squared plus bk t power of k, and so on. Now, let us differentiate our solution attempt. By doing so, we obtain x dot equal b1 plus 2b2t plus k times bk t power of k minus 1, and so on. Let's substitute our solution attempt and its derivative into our original state equation. Doing this, we obtain the following equality. We have to choose b1, b2, bk, and so on in such a way that the left and right side of this equation are equal. To do this, we have to look to the variables that are multiplying the same power of the time t in both sides. Let's start comparing the variables that does not multiply t. It is direct to see that b1 is equal to a b0. Moving on to the variables that multiply t, we see that b2 is equal to 0.5 a b1. Then substituting the value found for b1, we obtain that b2 is equal to 0.5 a squared b0. Now, for the variables that multiply t squared, we see that b3 is equal to a b2 divided by 3. Then substituting the value found for b2, we obtain that b3 is equal to a power of 3 b0 divided by 2 times 3. If we repeat this process until bk, we obtain that bk is equal to a power of k b0 divided by k factorial. These are the values for b1 until bk that make our solution attempt to be in fact the real solution. But we still need to find the value of b0. To this end, by making t equal 0, we easily see that b0 is equal to x0, which is the initial condition for the variable x. Now we just have to substitute the found values for the constants b0, b1, and so on into the proposed solution to obtain. But this power series is a very well-known result and is equal to the exponential of a times t. As a result, the solution of x dot equal ax is given by x of t is equal to the exponential of a times t, x0. So this is all for this lecture. 4 videos about control systems are appearing on the screen. To continue learning, click on the one that makes the most sense to you. Be safe and see you in the next video.